Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Tango application from your device. So let's get started right away. Now, if you don't wish to use the Tango application anymore and you wish to delete the app from your device, then there are several methods to do this. The most simplest option is to just long press on the Tango app and you will find the uninstall button. Tap on uninstall and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to remove the app. Just tap on the remove button to provide your confirmation, and the application will be uninstalled from your device right away. You can also open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box and type in Tango and start your search. Once you find the Tango application, tap on it and you will see the uninstall as well as the open button. Just tap on uninstall and you will be asked once again if you are sure that you want to uninstall the app. Just proceed with providing your confirmation once again, and the application will be uninstalled right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete or uninstall the Tango application from your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.